the secret to success is prayer. Amen? And I think this is the reminder of Jesus to us today in the gospel. Ano po ang sabi niya? Watch at all time and pray that you may have the strength to survive all tribulations. Para ba sinasabi niya, the best preparation in order to overcome any problems is to pray. And the way to overcome our challenges and the way to have the strength to overcome any challenge is through prayer. Kailangan natin ang dasal. Kahit na sobra-sobrang dasal, kulang pa yan. Tandaan niyo po. Because remember, the ship of prayer will sail us through temptations, doubts, through our problems, and steers us closer to the throne of God. Tandaan niyo po ito, ang taong hindi nagdarasal, palaging tinutokso ng demonyo. Ang taong hindi nagdarasal, palagi magkakamali at magkakasala. Tandaan niyo po yan. If you neglect prayer, evil will come. No one can progress in grace without praying. Walang nakakatanggap ng grasya at pagpapala mula sa Diyos na hindi nagdarasal. Dahil lahat ng mabuti ay nanggagaling lang sa pamamagitan ng pagdarasal.